I'm Megan and I'm going to be reviewing the Viking Cycle Cruise Jacket today. I'll tell you, I was very excited to be getting this, but also a little bit nervous. You know, when you get a leather jacket, especially from online, you never can quite tell how good the quality is going to be of the leather. And I will tell you, the leather on this jacket feels so good. It's soft, but still really thick and sturdy. I wear a leather jacket for the protection, not just the fashion of it all. This jacket is going to stand up to a lot. It'll be great for long trips. Upon further review, it's incredible the detail that was put into this. They thought of things that I didn't even know that I wanted in a jacket. For starters, the first thing I noticed, the inside pocket of this jacket, or one of the inside pockets I should say, there's a few, is so big. The zipper is easy to zip and unzip, and I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so it never fits in any pockets on anything, but it fits in this coat, which is great, and it's inside, so it's safe and protected. It also has, all along the outer edge, for a cell phone, a clip, as well as for headphones to go all the way up and by the neck, which is great. One of the things that worried me was this collar, just because typically jackets that I wear while I ride, I don't like to have a collar. However, this one has snaps, so you can snap the collar down, which is really helpful. I'll tell you, I actually took it on a ride today and I had no issue with the collar whatsoever. Another thing is that this jacket can be worn in a couple different ways. It's open, super cute, but also if you undo, so if you keep the snaps down and you zip it up, it looks like this. But another way that you can wear it is if you undo the snaps, so there's 4 for each part of the collar here. You can tuck this in, and this is actually how I rode with it today. Goes all the way up like this, and I love the fact that the sides come in a little bit. Leather jackets nowadays can be super expensive, so I do also have to say that the price of this jacket is almost hard to believe that you're getting such a great quality jacket for what the cost of it is. I was not disappointed at all. Actually, I had high expectations and it still exceeded them. So I'm very excited about this jacket, and I know that it's going to be great for me to have, especially on long rides. It's warm, protective, covers all the bases. I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much, Viking Cycle.